Welcome to Milltown Threads, weaving together stories from the past. Brought to you by the Mill Museum and the Last Green Valley. Today it's playtime! Toys in the 1800s were made from wood, cloth, metal, and even glass. One of the most popular pastimes in the 1800s was marbles. Marbles of glass and clay, steel and rocks have been enjoyed for thousands of years. They are traded and collected for their beauty, and children play games and have races. There are books filled with many games, all about marbles and 20 games to play. The marbles have different names. They are called toothpaste, cat's eyes, Aggies, beach balls, and devil's eyes. One of the popular games is called the marble run, where people took marbles and had them go down a track. So get some marbles and you will have hours of fun.